Hello guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today, just going to show you an install. Been really busy of late, so I've not really had a chance to take any videos, especially because of a lot of the cars we've already got videos up on the YouTube channel anyway. But there's a car that we haven't done before on this particular radio, so I just want to bring you up to date and tell you what's still about. It's done on a Volkswagen, it's done on a Volkswagen Touareg. Which I believe is a 2003 to 11 model. It will replace the original radio with the basic one, and also it'll replace the old navigation style radio. Just to let you know, if you're used to getting GPS directional arrows on the MFD display behind the steering wheel, unfortunately you would lose that by putting this system in here. So obviously it's not going to give you the guidance line, so the guidance arrow should I say. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so what you're looking at now is an Android 15 8-core processor with 464 gig of RAM on the system. So what you're looking at now is the CarPlay interface, which is set my Apple phone up to it. It connects through Bluetooth, then goes over to Wi-Fi, and it brings over any navigation apps, music apps, text messaging apps on your phone from your onto this app here. Android Auto tends to work the same, but you just get a different graphical interface on there. But as you can see, it's brought over me TalkSport, me DAB radio app, a couple of messenger apps like WhatsApp there, also phone. There's me Apple Maps, there's me Google Maps there too. So that's that there anyway. So the system is an Android operating system. So basically, what that basically means is it comes with the built-in Google Play Store, so you can download apps onto it that you can't do with CarPlay, like Netflix, YouTube, IPTV. Just because it's an Android operating system doesn't mean you can't link an Apple phone to it. All it basically means is if you want an app, you go on the Google Play Store as opposed to the Apple Store, but your Apple phone will connect to it totally fine. You got your Bluetooth, your music streaming through Bluetooth, you got your Wi-Fi tethering with your hotspot on your phone, you got your mirror link, which is never that great to be honest with you, and also what's the last thing? Yeah, well that's what it links to an Apple phone, so don't worry about being incompatible, it'll be totally fine. So this is the home page to it. You can change this if you want, downloading skin apps, and there's a couple of little applications that you can change the home page to, but this is what you get at the moment. These little icons down here, you can't really customize them, so you basically, these are your shortcut icons. So one's for Navi, one's for radio, one's for applications, one's for Bluetooth, and one's for video there. So just to show you what the applications show here, this little app store, which is a good one to use, which is keeping this app up to date, which is your CarPlay. There's some apps in there that you can't get from the Play Store, like this one, but you'd update this app through that app there. There's auxiliary there, so if you want to link up your TV screen, digiboxes and stuff, you can go into the aux inputs on that. There's your Bluetooth calculator, that one's your CarPlay Android Auto, which I showed you before. Got a couple of browsers here, Chrome, Google. This one here is for an offline DAB kit, which we sell for $39.99. It's got a windscreen type antenna. That's the app for that there too. It's got built-in DSP sound processor, so if you're into your outputs for your sound and stuff like that, you can customize it through there. File manager, you can link in third-party apps through there if you want. Gallery, pretty useless. That's Google Maps here. Don't know what that one is there. Music there, so if you want to play your music in through a pen drive. It does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see it moving up and down. I can't see me in the background doing that. There's your Navi there, it's just not the shortcut for the Navi. Just to show you how quick and responsive it is, that's what you get for an 8-core processor. If you're going to go cheaper than that for the 4-core and go down really cheap prices, just be aware it's not going to be as quick as that. We don't sell 4-core if we don't have to. There's your Google Play Store there. There's your radio app, which is your FM AM radio. The other app before was a DAB radio. Settings takes you into the back end settings just for the Android. If you're used to that, you know what it is. Steering wheel controls, it works automatically on the steering wheel control, so we no need to use that today. You get a little canvas box with it. Touch assist, which is just a little annoying dot, which gives you just shortcuts to some parts of the system's menus. Vehicle settings, okay, so that's just a little bit of CAN bus support from the vehicle there, just showing you the fuel consumption, temperature, engine speed, revs per meter and stuff like that. Video player, so this is where you play you want to play movies, you can put them on your pen drive. And YouTube, which is self-explanatory because you're probably watching this video anyway. Okay, hopefully there's not much else to show you guys, to be honest with you. So these are buttons down here which are shortcuts to the system. There's a phone button, Navi, home, there's your dimming one, so if you want it off for night time you can do that too. Just press the touchscreen, it comes back on. There's a play. Let's have a look at that one does. Normally I'd associate that towards a CD tray, but it doesn't come with one, so maybe that's an obsolete button. That band one, there's your radio setup, and there's your DSP sound processor DEQ. So yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. If you got any questions, give us a shout. You can link up an aftermarket rear cameras to this if you want. If you got sensors on the car, it'll also work with the sensors. Yeah, but if you got any questions, we'll put the link down below. Have a nice day now. Take care. Bye bye.